When we think about maintaining good health, we often focus on diet, exercise, and sleep. But there's an important aspect of well-being that often gets overlooked: vaginal health. It's a topic that's sometimes whispered about, but it's essential for every woman's comfort, confidence, and overall health. What might surprise you is how some everyday routines, things you might not give a second thought, can have a profound effect on this sensitive part of your body. Let's explore 3 surprising routines that can influence vaginal health, why they matter, and how simple changes can make a big difference. First, let's talk about something as basic as your daily shower routine. Most of us want to feel fresh and clean, and it's common to reach for soaps, body washes, or even special feminine hygiene products. But did you know that over-cleansing or using harsh products can actually disrupt the natural balance of your vagina? The vagina is self-cleaning, with a delicate ecosystem of good bacteria known as lactobacilli that help maintain its slightly acidic pH. This environment is crucial for preventing infections, like bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. When you use strömsömn soaps, scented body washes, or douches, you may strip away these protective bacteria and alter the pH level, making it easier for harmful microbes to take over. Even products marketed specifically for feminine hygiene can be too harsh. Instead, the best approach is to wash the external genital area, called the vulva, with warm water and, if needed, a mild, fragrance-free soap. Avoid inserting any products inside the vagina and skip the douches altogether. It might feel counterintuitive, but less is often more when it comes to vaginal health. By letting your body's natural defenses do their job, you can help prevent irritation, dryness, and infections. The second surprising routine that can impact vaginal health is your choice of underwear and how often you change it. Fabrics and fit play a bigger role than many people realize. Tight, non-breathable underwear made from synthetic materials like nylon or polyester can trap moisture and heat, creating an ideal environment for yeast and bacteria to thrive. This can lead to discomfort, itching, and even infections. Cotton underwear, on the other hand, allows air to circulate and helps wick moisture away from the skin, keeping you drier and more comfortable. It's also important to change your underwear daily and after intense physical activity or sweating to prevent the buildup of bacteria. For those who prefer to wear panty liners or pads, opt for unscented and breathable options to reduce the risk of irritation. And at night, consider sleeping without underwear to give the area a chance to breathe. Small adjustments in your underwear routine can have a big impact on maintaining a healthy balance and preventing common problems. The third routine that might surprise you is how your exercise habits affect vaginal health, not just because of sweat, but because of the type of workouts you do and the clothing you wear. Physical activity is great for your overall well-being, but certain routines can put extra stress on the vaginal area. For example, high-intensity workouts like cycling or spinning, which involve prolonged pressure and friction in the pelvic region, may lead to chafing, irritation, or even minor injuries like saddle sores. Wearing tight, moisture-wicking workout clothes for extended periods can also contribute to a warm, damp environment that encourages yeast growth. To protect your vaginal health, choose workout clothes made from breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics and change out of sweaty clothes as soon as possible after exercising. Consider using a barrier cream or chafing stick in areas prone to friction, and make sure to clean the area gently after workouts. If you experience persistent discomfort or irritation, it might be worth consulting a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying issues. Now that we've covered these 3 routines, showering habits, underwear choices, and exercise practices, let's look at why these changes matter and how they tie into overall health. The vagina is a remarkable organ that's designed to maintain its own balance. When we disrupt that balance with harsh products, tight or synthetic clothing, or prolonged moisture and friction, we increase the risk of infections and discomfort. Common issues like bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, and urinary tract infections can often be traced back to such everyday routines. Symptoms may include unusual discharge, itching, burning, or irritation. While these conditions are usually treatable, prevention is always better than cure. In addition to avoiding irritants, it's important to support your vaginal health through healthy lifestyle choices. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet rich in probiotics, and managing stress all contribute to maintaining a healthy vaginal environment. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can help support the good bacteria in your body, including those in the vaginal area. High stress levels, on the other hand, can weaken your immune system and disrupt hormonal balance, making you more susceptible to infections. Practicing stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, or even regular walks can have a positive impact on your body's ability to defend itself. Sexual habits also play a role. Using condoms during intercourse can help prevent sexually transmitted infections, and it's wise to urinate after sex to help flush out bacteria and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. Be mindful of lubricants and other products you use in the genital area. Opt for water-based, fragrance-free options to minimize the risk of irritation. Menstruation is another time when vaginal health needs extra attention. Change tampons and pads regularly, and avoid scented products that can disturb the natural balance. Some women find that menstrual cups are a comfortable and eco-friendly alternative, but it's important to follow hygiene guidelines when using them. If you notice persistent changes in your vaginal health, such as unusual odor, discharge, or discomfort, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. While it's normal for the vagina to have a mild, musky smell and clear to white discharge, sudden changes could indicate an infection or other issue that needs attention. Cultural norms and taboos can make it hard to talk openly about vaginal health, but knowledge is empowering. By understanding how your daily routines impact this sensitive area, you can make informed choices that support your comfort and well-being. Let's recap the 3 surprising routines that can affect vaginal health. First, your shower and cleansing habits. Keep things simple, gentle, and avoid over-cleansing or using harsh products. Second, your underwear routine. Choose breathable, natural fabrics like cotton, change them regularly, and let the area breathe when possible. Third, your exercise habits. Wear appropriate workout gear, protect against chafing, and change out of sweaty clothes promptly. These may seem like small tweaks to your daily life, but they can make a significant difference in how you feel. Vaginal health isn't just about avoiding discomfort or infections. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own body. By paying attention to these often overlooked routines, you can support your body's natural defenses and enjoy greater peace of mind. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body, notice any changes, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Open conversations and proactive care are key to breaking down stigma and ensuring women have the information they need to thrive. Taking care of your vaginal health is a form of self-care that deserves just as much attention as any other aspect of your well-being. With a few mindful adjustments to your daily routines, you can protect this vital part of your body and feel your best every day.